Hey everyone, my name is Victor Dwyer, and today we're going to dive into Downstream, which is an Amazon advertising optimization tool, and which also has self-service DSP. So we're going to dive into it, and let's go right in. So this is the master Amazon sheet that we have, and today the tool we're going to be exploring within all these different tools that we have within the sheet is we have Downstream, and they do really really well on their advanced optimizations, their shelf intelligence, things like that. The only problem, it is pretty expensive. So those are the pros and cons on it. And because of that, I would rate it an 8 out of 10. And so let's dive right into it. So if you we were going to analyze, their UI is beautiful. Very few tools have a very beautiful UI. It's very like attractive looking. They do a very good job on this, and you'll be able to see like the overall cumulative on the reports and everything else like that. You'll be able to see a lot of different things. So the main reason why you would want to use Downstream is mainly because of this automation right here. So the automation is you can basically add a new profile, and we can just call this test one, and we can build out day parting, ROI optimization, advanced budget control, and really build out like some type of automation here and just grow it from there. So we'll be able to add some type of automation profile and help build out that essentially. So be able to build out these automation profiles, and then you can also build out rule books, turn off and on these particular optimizations, and kind of go from there. That would be the main reason why you would use these type of tools. Most tools, Amazon ad tools, are just bid optimization tools. At its core, that's true. Like that's really, people can say they have this proprietary AI and all this other fancy crap. Most likely, it's just a bid optimization tool at its core. That's really all you can really do with it. So that's what a piece of the automation does. And then there's shelf intelligence. So from here, it's pretty cool because you can kind of see the overall and see what share of voice you have versus your competitors, and what share of voice and just how you compare on a keyword performance level and the keywords level. And they do a really good job on this. Very few tools have this like shelf intelligence to see how you compare share of voice wise versus other brands. See if you're growing, are you falling, and things like that. They do a really good job at this. Labels, if you are a very organized person, which I am not, labels are great to utilize. Events, you can do event management. I'm not going to go into that. And then you can start going into like campaign portfolios, products, certain levels of targeting, DSP. These things are fine. So the DSP is they do say they mentioned that they do allow self-service DSP, which is different from other tools. So you will be able to manage your own DSP stuff within the Downstream portal. So that's valuable on the DSP side. And just so people that don't know what DSP is, it's basically a way to utilize different advertising channels that Amazon allows you to that you wouldn't normally get otherwise. So like these could be Amazon partnerships like Twitch, and other like particular ad channels that are just beside Amazon advertising. So think about it as like an external traffic almost channel is the best way to think about it. Like the TV almost. Like where it shows your type of ads on these particular other DSP channels. So that's the best way to think about it. And they do have their own self-service DSP, which is nice. So that's awesome. And then from there, this is a majority of what Downstream has. They do have a lot of other fancier features, other fancier stuff within this, but I would say a majority of the reason to use Downstream is for the automation and also for the reporting. So they do have really cool custom dashboards that you can generate off of this. It's a little bit limited for me. I am a person that I'm a very developer type person that likes to basically have super granular dashboards. So this does not fulfill my needs, but if you need just very high level dashboards, that this will fulfill that for you. So hopefully this kind of covers that. Hopefully this kind of makes sense, but this will give you a pretty good overview of kind of what you're looking for on the dashboard side. So hopefully this makes sense. Thanks.